Hello everyone, welcome back to HSC Training Guide. I am your safety trainer Mohammad Murshid Alam. Today we bring you a powerful and motivational story of a safety officer who went to the Gulf for the first time. He was nervous, he was afraid of speaking English, he was unsure about working in a new country. But with courage, confidence, and strong communication skills, he proved himself and earned respect in an international company. This story will inspire every new safety officer who dreams of working in the Gulf. So listen carefully because this story might change your mindset. Let's begin. The first flight to the Gulf. The journey of a brave safety officer. Arman was a young safety officer from a small town in India. He always dreamed of working in the Gulf and earning a good salary to support his parents. After completing his safety training, he applied to the many companies. One day he finally received an offer from a construction company in Dubai. It was his first international job. He was happy but also very nervous. He had never traveled outside India before. He had never worked with foreign workers. And most importantly, he was worried about his English. What if I cannot speak properly? What if they laugh at me? What if I fail? These questions were always in his mind. The first day in Dubai, when Arman landed in Dubai, he saw tall buildings and wide roads. Everything looked modern and fast. On his first day at the construction site, his site manager Mr. Johnson called him. Arman, welcome to the team. Safety is our first priority, the manager said in a clear English. Arman felt nervous, but he remembered something important. Confidence is more important than perfect English. He replied politely, "Thank you, sir. I will give my best to maintain safety standard." His voice was slow but clear. First challenger on site. On his third day, Arman noticed something dangerous. Some workers were working at height without proper harness attachment. He immediately stopped the work. "Stop work, please come down safely," he said firmly. The workers looked at him. Some were surprised. Arman explained calmly. Working at height without proper fall protection can cause serious injury or death. Safety harness must be properly anchored. He didn't shout. He didn't panic. He spoke clearly and confidently. Later, the project manager called him. "You did the right thing. Safety is a non negotiable," the manager said. That day, Arman felt a little stronger inside. The major incident. One afternoon during a hot summer day, a worker suddenly fainted due to heat stress. Many workers gathered around, confused. Arman quickly took control. "Give him space, bring water, call the medic immediately," he instructed. He checked the worker pulse and ensured first aid was given. Later, the doctor said if action was delayed, the situation could have been serious. The company management appreciated Arman's quick response. From that day, people started respecting him. The power of communication. Arman understood one important thing. Safety is not only about rules, it is about communication. Every morning he started conducting toolbox talk in simple English. He used easy words. He gave real examples. He asked questions to workers. Slowly, workers began to trust him. Even workers from different countries, India, Pakistan, Nepal, Philippines, Egypt, started listening carefully. His English was not perfect, but it was clear. It was confident. 1 year later, after 1 year, the company organized a safety award ceremony. The general manager announced, "This year, a best safety Performer award goes to Mr. Arman. Arman could not believe it. He walked to the stage with confidence. This time he was not nervous. He gave a short speech. When I came here, I was scared, but I learned that fear disappears when you take responsibility seriously. Safety is not just a job, it is a commitment to protect lives. Everyone clapped loudly. The real success. Armand did not become successful only because of his English. He became successful because of his courage, his continuous learning, his strong communication, his dedication to safety. From a nervous beginner to a respected safety officer in the Gulf, his journey proved one simple truth. Confidence grows with action, skill improves with practice, and success comes to those who never give up. Thank you, friends.